Understanding the phrase, back up the claim, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a common English expression, back up the claim. This phrase is widely used in both everyday conversations and formal discussions. Understanding it will not only enhance your English comprehension but also improve your communication skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, back up the claim, refers to providing support, evidence, or justification for a statement or assertion someone has made. Think of it like building a strong foundation for a house. Your claim is the house, and the evidence or support you provide are the sturdy pillars that hold it up. This expression is often used in arguments, debates, and discussions where proving the validity of your point is crucial. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In academic writing, the researcher needs to back up the claim with empirical data. 2. In legal contexts, the lawyer had to back up the claim with evidence from the scene. 3. In casual conversations, if you say that movie is the best of the year, you need to back up that claim with reasons why. In each case, the phrase is used to emphasize the need for supporting information. Understanding and using back up the claim is important for several reasons. It encourages critical thinking and the use of logic. It improves the credibility and persuasiveness of your arguments. It reflects a mature understanding of how to present and defend ideas. Here are some quick tips for using back up the claim effectively. Always have relevant and strong evidence to support your claims. Use this phrase to politely challenge others in discussions, encouraging them to provide evidence for their statements. Remember, it's not just about what you claim, but how well you can support it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, back up the claim, and how to use it in your daily English communication. Remember, a well-supported claim is always more convincing. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.